Hello guys, in this video I will be rewriting CTFAK 2.0 even more than it was written before I actually switched to this new project. So what I want to do today is I want to make it possible to decompile Android games, and to do it we already have the hold up, we don't have it here. I think it's in this folder. Yep, is the FNAF World MFA file, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just drop it here so we can access it easily. And right now we don't have anything that can be used to actually decompile it except for the chunk tracing function. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And to do it I have to restart it because I'm a moron. So now I add the trace chunks here. And what? Oh yeah, that happens sometimes. I don't remember where this thing is. I think it's in the exe reader, but to fix it I need to make a different reader. And exe file reader, yeah, here it is. So what I need to do is I need to create a new class, call it CCN file reader. Add our new interface, iFiles reader, I think it's called. Yeah. Now I need to implement missing members, all of these, name and Android. Yep, there we go. Now, the main function that we call here is what is it actually? Reader. Yeah, it's load game. So the load game function takes the path here, and what we need to do is, well, I can pretty much copy all the stuff here, except I only need this part because we don't have any icons here. I just need to change this to, actually this needs to be game. Yep, I need to replace this stuff here. Am I right? Yep, I think so. Now we need a public game data game, and we initialize it here, so we can just keep all this stuff. Can I just do like dictionary in bitmap? Is there an empty function? Nope. Okay, so I need to just create an instance here and remove this thing because it doesn't work anymore. And in the get game data function we need to return game. Nope, not this. And in the also here we need to do settings dot what is it? I forgot. Oh yeah, we don't have this here. Public static game type. Okay, there we go. And I need to set it to Android. Okay, and in the exe reader we need to also set it to I guess normal, because we don't have any support for 1.5 version of the Fusion right now. And now if I build it, if I open this folder and try to decompile it, I can't see it. Okay, here it is. So we need to do this and use the Android. Okay, that's not what I wanted. Okay, we don't have anything here, so yeah, it should work, but it doesn't because of the movements. Okay, I'm gonna drop the file here, and then I'm gonna use the trace chunks feature. And I'm a fucking moron because I forgot to set the reader type. Okay, so we do trace chunks, and I did the same stupid mistake again. Okay, I probably need to change that part of the code that does this reading, I mean the reader selection thing. Okay, so now I press 2 here and yep, got something. Let's see what we've got. And I also need to do one more thing here. Oh, you didn't see this. And you also didn't see this. Okay, so now I can run the hex editor. This one is quite convenient for me because it allows me to do a lot of stuff. And let's see if it gives us the valid information. Yep, I think it does. And we also got the up header too, which I don't know what it does. Got some unknown frames, got the frame items, which is, as I can see, is not encrypted at all. And I like that. Oh yeah, I forgot the Android games are not encrypted at all, so we don't need to decrypt them. And I'm just gonna quickly change one thing here. So this part we need to check if the if game if the get extend. Oh, I can do it like this. We need to get the extension of this string, and I'm actually gonna use the switch case. Oh no, I'm gonna do this. If it's .exe, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna and then we're just gonna read it as an exe file because it's, well, yeah, that's what we need. So exe file reader and the else block here. Okay, like this, and for this part, okay, no, wait. I need this part and put it in the else block here, like this. Then I'm gonna move this thing over here. And get the types, and just steal all this code. Yep, I think this should work, or maybe not. So if you clicked enter, we don't care if you clicked enter. Okay, so to do it properly, I need to paste this part here, then get rid of this block of code, and also this part, available readers. I see. I need to just do something like this, I guess. Okay, let's see if it works like it should. Okay, so if we just drop the normal nav game here, we click enter and okay, it doesn't work. So if it's exe, we just keep everything, but if it's not, then oh yeah, because I'm a fucking moron, we need to do it like this. Available readers. Something isn't right here, I can already see it, because that's not how it's supposed to work. Okay, I might actually know how to do it. So I'm just gonna copy this block over here. And also this one over here. So we load all the types. And types is available readers, and where's the tools section? Okay, here it is. And we only need to do this kind of stuff here, I guess. Yeah, I think so. So we just copy it over here, move this thing over here and build. Okay, so now if I drop the exe file here and just do it, okay, it works. And if I drop something that isn't an exe file, then it asks me what to do. Okay. So I'm just gonna check it one more time. Trace chunks, click enter, and yep, we need Android. Okay, so the object stuff is definitely broken, but can you please go away? Hey. Oh, okay. I don't need you anymore. Okay, so here's all the chunks that we've got before the game crashed, and it's the last one is frame items. So what I'm gonna do now is I want to check what exactly is broken. But actually what I can do is I can drag this over here and open the old source code for the old version of CTFAK, because as far as I remember it should contain some of the code for Android versions of the game. Let me quickly find it. I don't exactly remember where this thing is. Yeah, I think I found it. Yeah. Actually, I might show this because there is no private information at all. It should be somewhere in the exe, loaders, objects, object common, I guess. Yep. New, no 1.5, it's for 2. And yeah, that's the part that we want. Object common, okay. So I don't know what this does. I just copied it over from the old CTFAK. I'm not sure how this got in here. Okay, so we are checking if the build is greater than this. And if it's okay, I'm gonna add some stuff to this function. So this, and pretty much the same thing for this one. Then I'm gonna copy this over, Android. Okay. Now, why though? Oh. Done. Okay, object common. So if it's not Android and it's not, actually we can just replace it with settings, game type, yep, like this. Else if settings game type normal, and the next code block is gonna be settings.android, and we can paste our code here now. Do some quick replacements. Find, replace, okay, it's control hash, I'll remember it. Reader, replace it with, yeah, done. Okay, so let's see if it actually changed anything, because I don't really think so, but let's try, because it might actually work and we might get to some other stuff. Okay, Android, and yeah, I feel like it's dead. Why though? Let's do some debugging. And by saying debugging, I mean adding some random console writes. Okay, Android. Well, it actually worked. No frames though, like at all. But we've got some stuff here. Okay, I'm gonna close it and use the chunk trace to see what's going on here. Okay, chunk trace. Oh, because it's trace chunks. Trace chunks. Okay. Okay, it's reading a frame, but nothing really happens. But why? Okay, so the next problem is the frame, because it doesn't do anything at all. Well, let's see what's going on here. So we've got the frame and if tray. No, actually, I'm just gonna leave this thing here and do console right line new chunk ID. And it's stuck. Okay, time to debug it, because I can't figure out what's going on here. So we hit debug. And let's wait for it to run. Drop the file here. Can I please drop the file? Okay, I can. And application.ccn file not found. File not found. Maybe if I do it like this. Okay. Android and yep. There we go. Okay, step over. We get the name. The name is... Oh, wait, that's not the part that I need. Yep, this is the part that I need. So we create a new byte reader, we check some stuff, and the first chunk that we've got is the header, I guess. Yeah. Well, that sounds about right. And run the loop again, and the next chunk is the virtual size. Seems about right. The next thing is the name. And what's the name? The name is frame32. Okay, seems legit. Okay, this is pretty much useless. Okay, let's leave it until it just stops. Okay, it's stuck. Terminal. Oh, no, I don't need a terminal. And I also don't need this. Where's the debug? Okay, here it is. So, parallel stacks, ways to post to work with trees. Okay, so it gets stuck on the event reading. Fine, I'm just gonna comment this thing out for now to see if it will work without this. Oh, no. Didn't mean to show this. Okay, let's try running it, and okay, image reading is broken. That's not a big deal to me, because I can fix it, but I don't really want to do it right now, so let's just skip it. And do the same thing for fonts, sounds, and music. Okay, it's done. Let's try decompiling it. Oh, okay, it doesn't work. Line 59, I wonder what happened actually. 59 is... Okay, it's images. So I can't simply skip all the images, I need to actually read these. Okay, so we're gonna bring all this stuff back. And this time I'm just gonna ignore the images because I don't care about the images for now. I just want to get something at least. Mm-hmm. Oh, actually, I shouldn't comment this out because I forgot that I did this. Settings, Android, continue. Okay, nice. Do the same thing for all the banks, like this. And I need to add the reference here. Same thing here. And the same thing here. There we go. Mm-hmm. Try to decompile it and wait. It actually worked. Yo, FNAF World Mobile 23. Okay, let's see if we can open it. No, because I have to close the thing. And it's very small, but it works. It works. No events, no images, but it works. Okay, so it's definitely possible. We've got some... no, we don't have any information here, except for some basic stuff, like the frame rate and the size. Okay, so what's the next thing that I want to add? I think it's gonna be the... Oh, the text also doesn't work for an unknown reason. Or does it? It actually does work. Which is, well, unexpected, at least. That's gonna be a lot of work, but I can cheat a little bit, actually. Because I've got something that might actually help. I just need to find it. And I'll show you. What is it? Data runtime. Yep. Here it is. The thing that we need to actually do it. So I think it's Java events, and I don't remember what's the thing that we actually need. I think it's the event program. And we should have some reading code here. Read. I guess file. Yep. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna drag this over to the... Actually, no. I'm just gonna... And can I split it? Split right? Okay. I'm gonna search for file. And I'm gonna open my own code in the second window. And make this smaller. Okay, so this is the identifier, this is the header. And everything is pretty much the same. But the last, what is it? Big definition. It must be 10. Oh, I can't use the quick definition thing here. I can at least do this and help. Okay, I guess it's 10 because I don't care. Okay, so we read some stuff. This comment isn't true anymore, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. We'll read all the qualifiers. Event file. I don't know what this thing is, but I think it's this part. Not sure though. Years. Years is event count. No, it's actually this one, but we don't care about it and we simply skip it. I'm not sure if that's how we should do it, but it works, so who cares about it? Okay. Eref. That's the event group data. That's the part that we actually need. And we also have this Europe, which was causing some weird bugs in the Anaconda when we were trying to decompile some modern games, but we are also simply ignoring it because uh, yeah, because I don't care. Okay, so time to move to the event group thing and see what's going on here and why is it being like this, why is it broken. Okay, go to the file reference and okay, move here. So we're getting the file pointer, we're getting the size, and for some reason we multiply it by -1, but well, I don't know. Then we're checking the build, and for now I'm just gonna add a different code section here. Do it like this, and actually no, everything was right here. Hmm. Yeah, I think it's this part, so it's both integers. So I guess is restricted is reader read int32 and restrict CPT is the same. Okay, so now we read conditions and actions and we go to the next event by moving the thing. Okay, CCND. Have this here, so I guess it's somewhere here. Nope, it's not. Any other references? Oh, it's in the conditions folder here, I guess. Yep. Open this up, go to the... it's actually pretty simple. Have the write function and the read functions here. And if we scroll down and get the file... I already hate this. So we're getting the file pointer, we're getting the size, getting this part, and I need to go to the bottom of this switch case. Or actually wait. Okay, let's go to the bottom of the switch case, and if it's not now, we are reading the object info, this part, 4 bytes, actually 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 4 bytes, and this thing, and also the parameters, and some other stuff, but there is no reading functions here, so this should be fine. Okay, let's try to build it and see if it works, because it might actually work right now. So I just need to build it. And once it's done, I'm just gonna run this, drop the file here, and nope, it doesn't work. So I need to figure out what actually happens and why it breaks. So I'm just gonna run it in debug once again. Remove the breakpoint, and I'm just gonna let it run. Freeze it, and okay, it gets stuck here, and if I let it run for a little bit more, then no, I don't care. Get the hell away from me. Okay, so we are reading the event groups here. And nothing really happens. Okay, we're still reading stuff, so I'm just gonna let it run for a little bit more, because for some reason it's just taking a lot of time. Maybe now? Okay, yeah, I think it's stuck. Let's just go frame by frame here and see what happens. Wait, what? Why does this happen? This really, it seems really weird to me, but because like there's literally no reason for it to freeze. I'm gonna uncomment this line to see if it actually just slow. Okay, I see where this is going. Yep, that's okay. This so it just gets stuck on this one single. Okay, so what if I just log the reader position? Reader tell. I want to see if it actually moves from this part somewhere. No, it doesn't. What about the size? I'm pretty sure it's just 0 because there's no other reason for it to break like this. Yep, the size is 0. Now maybe I should actually just remove this part because I feel like it shouldn't be there. It's 2. I wasn't able to see what it actually printed. Nothing here. Okay, it's 2. Okay, let's go back to the event group and file. So it's just a short. Nothing else. Oh. Wait, really? I just need to do this thing? I mean, it's the same, but... okay, I don't know. Let's try it again. Yeah, the size is still 0. Okay, I might wanna go back a little bit. And okay, here we go. We are reading all the stuff. Max objects, short. Uh, some qualifiers, and I don't care about this part. Okay, let's actually add these two intrudes here. So if settings Android reader read in 32. Okay. Actually, no. It should be in this part. Okay. Let's see if it works. No. I'm not sure why this happens. Multiply by -1 again. This might actually fix it. I highly doubt, but let's just try. Okay, loader is null. It's 0. I remember seeing a error like this, but... Okay, let's just check everything one more time. So when we start reading it, we read the header, and what you can see here is that we are reading 3 shorts. Okay, this seems right to me, but everything else doesn't. It is. It's event count. So we are reading 2 integers here. And in the EDF we are reading 2 integers again. And we are creating all this stuff. Yeah, that's correct. So it kind of works. Well, let's move to the event group generation. Getting the pointer, reading the short, creating the group. Oh, that's not that part that I need. Okay. The size 2 bytes, short, flags. Okay, we need another short here. Okay, still the same year. So we are making an event object and I'm just gonna move this part over here. So after reading 2 bytes, number conditions, number actions, and did I actually duplicate it myself or was it like this? I'm not sure anymore. Event group. Okay, 2 bytes, short, short, int, and the next part that we are doing is we are reading all the conditions and all the actions. Let's go to the condition part and do the same here. Okay, so we are getting the code. It's 32 bits. Size 4 bytes and a short. And then we are reading all the parameters. And I wanna make sure that there is no reading here. No, there is not. Reader seek current position plus size. And this might fix some of the issues. Okay, let's go to the parameter reading and parameters. This one, I guess. Yeah, so when we are reading it, we are getting these 2 numbers and then we're just reading a lot of stuff. So it should never be 0 because 0 is invalid. Hmm. Okay, just gonna run it in the CMD so I can see the error more for a bigger period of time. Okay, so when we are trying to read the action, line 4, 1, 1, 4, here it is. So we can't read it because okay, I don't see why this happens. Maybe I should actually subtract 1 from here. No, 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 no. I shouldn't do it. What if I just simply ignore it and don't do anything? I wonder if it will give me something valid or no. Yeah, I messed up a little bit. No, I still can't do it because... Hmm? Okay, I can't simply ignore this. So I actually need to fix all these issues. I might know how to fix it, at least temporarily, because the same thing happened for the 1.5 version of the Fusion. If the size is 0, then it means that there is nothing to read here, so if I do this, it still fails. If reader size more than equals reader tell, then I'm gonna break out of the loop and do the same thing here, just to prevent these random crashes. $43. Okay, we are getting somewhere. And let's see if the MFA that we've got is valid or no. Network mobile. No, I don't think so. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's invalid. I mean, the MFA itself is valid, but we can't do anything with it because... Wanna check one more thing. It should be somewhere here. Oh, wait. No, it shouldn't be because, yeah. Never mind. So, why does this happen? This should never happen under normal circumstances. Okay, let's actually do images first and then go back to the all the other stuff. And I'll also already have the code for the Android reading. Here it is. So we are reading all the stuff, and that's all the chunks. Okay, there we go. Don't look at these variable names, just ignore. They don't mean anything. So, to get the image count for the Android games, we need to go here, and if settings Android, we need to do everything a little bit differently. So get rid of this part, and it should be read int 16, and the first one is, I think it's max handle. Yeah, seems right to me. And I'm gonna open this up in the next window. And yeah, there's some weird stuff going on here, but for now we just need to copy this stuff, get rid of all of that. So what's the data reader? I think it's... Yeah, I think it's a normal reader that we got here. Just gonna replace the data reader with normal reader. Replace. Okay, there we go. Both of these should be okay, like this. Okay, I guess we don't have the size thing. And here comes the most interesting part, and the part that I hate the most, because we have this huge function that basically translates all the stuff to the bitmap format, and I don't like it. I'm gonna be honest. I really hate this huge function, but we can't do stuff without it. We have to convert images into the the actual format. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an image helper class. I'm gonna make it static and add this stuff here. And what it's gonna do is it's gonna return the byte array that's gonna contain the formatted image that we need. And I can't find the thing that does it's the padding. Oh, because I don't have one. Because all the stuff is being done in the C++ library, so I would have to copy this function here and replace this. And we don't actually need to save it. What we're gonna do instead is we are gonna call the image bank from bitmap. Oh, it's actually... Oh, I know how to do it. New image from this image. Set this as the BMP. Pass the null here. And what we need to do is we need to return this. And I'm not sure if it's gonna work, or I mean it's gonna be very very slow, but at least it should work. So let's just try it and see if it works. So after reading it, we need to actually assign it to our real image. So what we're gonna do now is for new image equals dump uh, image helper. The image I'm gonna rename it later, but for now we don't really care. So we pass the image data here, all the values that we need, and the color mode, which is called unknown here. So now, once it's done, we're gonna assign the new image data here. Why is it broken? Oh, I see. We need to call it like this and return it. Okay. So we assign the image data. We also need to change the list two variables here, and just to make it more convenient for us, I'm gonna add some logging here. Logger.log. And let's see if it works. I really hope so. Nope, it doesn't. I might know why it doesn't work. Yeah, I think the reason is that we are using the broken color mode. No? What if I just comment this out? Will it break? Who knows, let's try. Okay, it does something and it's dead again. What now? still crashes. Okay, it's done. Let's try compiling it back. Okay, unknown compression method. Oh yeah, I know why this happened. So when we are selecting the tool, once the reading is done, we need to set the game type to normal. This is just a workaround for now because I don't want to fix it, and we are already recording for like an hour and I did pretty much nothing useful. So yeah, let's just try to get at least something. Okay, decompile. Oh, what the hell? Oh, we don't have the icons, which is, well, I could expect it. It's gonna take a bit longer because we're actually writing all the stuff now. Well, at least some of the stuff that we managed to get. Let's just wait. And if it doesn't work, I'm gonna finish the video, and if it does, I'm gonna do the same thing because I'm kinda tired and have some other stuff to do, so... But I'll probably make a second video today because I want to finish the Android decompiling today or tomorrow, maybe. Okay, it's done. Let's hope that it works. Okay, the MFA file is definitely bigger now. And, well... did it crash? Yep. Okay, let's try it one more time. Well, it did something. It's not perfect, but something definitely happened. The world... I don't want to open any of these, but... Okay, we can see some of the stuff, but not all of it. This actually worked. I'm kind of surprised. Yeah, we don't have any alpha for some reason, and also I know what causes this, but I don't remember how to fix it, so I'm gonna do it a little bit later. I'm gonna open this frame and okay, I'm gonna delete this and can we see Freddy? No? Can we see anything actually? No. What about Foxy XE? Okay, this one is empty, we don't have any stuff here. Rainbow Cannon. Okay, everything here is also empty. What about the title screen? Okay, nothing here as well. Probably because of a different color mode. What about the check? Nothing. Nothing. What about this one? Okay, so we've got some of the images here. Actually, some of these even look right. Some of these, of course, don't. Yeast layer. I know how to fix it, and I'll probably do it today, as well as the event fix. But for now, that's what we have. So yeah, I think that's enough for this video. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.